bye to Betty.
Bye, Betty.
Oh, see you later. We love you. Here, look at Mom. Look at me.
All right, you want to press the button? You want to press that button?
Good job. You want to get in too?
No.
Wow. All right, you go.
This is cool. Oh, there's a light. Mom, let's go to the doctor, find a doctor.
Okay, what do we got in here? Medicines?
No.
Ooh.
How do we open? Oh, no. Mouth.
Okay. You need help? Sure, go ahead. Can you reach it? Going on the other side? Yeah, yours are here. How about you guys come on?
Mama, I have a jacket. Let me get my
And get your helmet. It's in front of the truck. Who's driving?
grab my helmet.
Cool.
Dada, I'm ready to go to find.
Yeah. Oh, we got Errol driving.
Where's my helmet? Where's my helmet?
Oh, you get the white one because you're the officer.
Where?
You're the officer. Officer, well, usually doesn't
you're an
drive.
officer.
This is too big.
Yeah.
That's just.
Alright guys, drive.
Uncle Matt would be very
Hey
happy.
guys, drive.
And I'll have this one. Thank you.
Hey kids.
No lights.
No lights?
No lights.
Oh no, Mom, I forgot. I forgot. Let me get my scope.
Oh, look at these cool ones. You want to make shapes? Okay, ready? Which hand? That one? Okay, ready? Yep. Pick which. You gonna order something out here?
Dad, here.
Comes from a cow. You need help getting those out? I might need scissors, but I don't know where there is scissors. Let me see. Who is that?
The $69
You know how?
for the next 2 years.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I need
Hey, Granny.
Is it still? Okay. Where'd you go?
Here.
All right, this is the site of our Airbnb that we've had for a few days now. I want to say it's been about 4 nights in Tucson, and we're getting ready to head on out. Kids are excited. Gonna be in a hotel tonight.
Yep. We're bringing the pillows at the hotel.
All right. There was a spare apartment, which was kind of cool once we figured out how to unlock the door. Kids played in there. I mean, overall, it's not a bad spot. Nice pool. Minimal sitting area for the kids, the chairs. We got cats on the ceiling. Cats on the roof. They were quite loud in the middle of the night. It sounded like a couple people were actually walking upstairs. The cats, got a hold of a bird, so this is kind of the scene of the crime scene. And it's been hot. It's not Phoenix hot, but it's definitely hot. Cool spot. But it's dirty. And so for the next night or two, we're going to be at the Wyndham. While the rig is getting finalized, went in there today, checked it out. They're slowly making their way. The bodywork's all done. Awning should be on later on today. And they're going down the list of some warranty items that we wanted fixed. So we're slowly getting there, and hopefully we'll be on the road soon. Getting ready to pack up and depart Marriott residence in Tucson. So we're getting ready to roll on out, head to Freedom RV and pick up Betty. Willcox, here we come.